Good morning, Wolfpack. This is meteorologist Michael Mugrage with a look at the forecast for the rest of the week. Some headlines of the week include, well, it's going to be pretty sunny for the rest of this week. There's no rain in sight. The rain that we just had was all we're going to have for a while. It's going to be warm these next few days, and you better go out and enjoy it while it lasts, because it's not going to be around for too much longer, because we have a big cool down coming towards the end of this week, going into Sunday and Monday, that we will talk about here in a few minutes. So looking at our class-by-class schedule today, we're going to have temperatures in the lower 50s this morning. That'll warm up into about the lower 60s as we go towards the noontime hour. And then as we get into those afternoon and evening classes, it'll be in the mid-60s, might reach 65, 66. We'll see how that works out. So another headline that we should be talking about is our newly designated Invest 90L here in the Caribbean, which is potentially going to become our next tropical system, which if it does, it would be named Otto. Currently, the National Hurricane Center gives it about a 20% chance of developing in the next 2 days and an 80% chance of developing in the next 5 days, which is really high for being that far out. But overall, it doesn't look like this is going to be any kind of threat to the U.S. It's just going to add on another storm to a pretty active season for the tropical Atlantic this year. So, again, looking at today, we're going to possibly reach into the middle, maybe inching up towards the upper 60s, high around 67. It's going to be sunny. Winds are going to be relatively calm. Don't have to worry about that much. It's going to be pretty clear tonight. Our lows will be in the lower 40s. Winds will be relatively calm as well. And we kind of just hit the repeat button tomorrow, as it's going to be sunny again, highs in the upper 60s, and winds out of southwest about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So now as we look into the rest of this week, going into the weekend, our highs are going to jump up a bit towards the lower 70s as we go into Friday and Saturday. Sunny skies will be the dominant thing throughout the week into the weekend. Lows are not going to change too much, but as we head into Saturday into Sunday, you notice there's going to be a huge difference in the high temperature as we go from the lower 70s to the lower 50s, as this very cold air mass just plunges in as a dry cold front moves through the region. So be prepared for that. Make sure you have your jacket handy for Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon, going to church or doing any kind of outdoor activities. You're going to need it. This is meteorologist Michael Mugrage, and have a great week, Wolfpack.